Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Vivo V29, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So firstly, on the third place I'll show you my theme is Niagara Launcher. Find it and click install. Then click open. Agree and continue. And cool, as you can see on the home screen we have applications, and here we have the main menu. As you can see, main menu is very minimalistic and you can easily find any application you need, you want, in one simple step. So great. This theme was on the third place, but on the second place I have Smart Launcher 6. And cool. So here as you can see we have very minimalistic and beautiful interface. Here we have the panel with news, and here we have the applications menu. And cool. And one of the killer features of this launcher is the wallpaper gallery. Wallpaper gallery here is completely free and beautiful. Of course, you need to pay for 3D perspective. This is the premium feature of this launcher, but if you will use it without the 3D perspective, it will same beautiful, but just without the 3D perspective. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So saying the truth, I need to say you that Smart Launcher 6 is my favorite launcher, but unfortunately I can't locate it on the first place in the top because it has prime features, and I can't recommend launcher with the prime features just because it will not be top of 3 themes, okay? So cool. Here we have Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher can be beautiful when you have beautiful wallpapers, not the wallpapers from the wallpaper engine, because here as you can see you have beautiful wallpapers, but when I will click on the Microsoft wallpaper generator I will have really bad wallpapers, and one wallpaper is worse than other one. These wallpapers are created for Windows devices, for laptops, but not for smartphone appearance, and as you can see it's really bad. But if you will use wallpapers from the Smart Launcher 6, so it will look better. So here we have first killer feature of this launcher is the glance panel. So you can locate all your widgets here, and you will don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. Here we have the alphabetical line, sorted. Second killer feature is hidden apps, so you can hide your apps. And the third killer feature is the gestures. So in the gestures you can set up what you want. For example, calculator. I can open calculator using just simple gest. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.